Think math.
A box stacks up neatly, but a ball keeps rolling right off when you set it on top. You place them the same way, so why are they so different? The secret is the faces. A box has flat faces. When a flat face meets another flat face, they sit steady and stack without wobbling. But a ball is curved all over, nothing but curved surface. It only touches the ground at a single point, so the slightest nudge sends it rolling away. A cylinder has both. Its top and bottom are flat, so standing up, it stacks well. Its side is curved, so lying down, it rolls away. So here is the rule. A flat face is good for stacking, and an all-curved surface rolls. Look at the faces, and you can tell whether it stacks or rolls. Flat things stack, round things roll. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.